Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can edit the URL for your app project on Base44. So let us guide you through this. Start by navigating to the app editor on Base44, access your app project here in the editor. And there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you publish your app project by clicking into this button in the top right. Select web here and either right click into that pencil icon to edit the URL. Here you may click into that part of the URL and then enter the name of the app, for example, or assign a custom URL, to your app. You may also reset it to default here. That's one way how we can do it. Option number two, you navigate to the app settings. To do that, navigate back to your workspace on Base44, select all apps here on the left hand side, and for the given app project click into these three dots to access its app settings. There, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the overview setting, and here you will see in the public status, or if it's private, switch to public. Here you may copy the link, and there's also the option to change that URL. So for example, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to, let me find it, here under domains to the left. You can use the built-in URL here, click into edit URL, and you can do the same I just showed you a moment ago. So enter the custom name of the URL here and click into save here to the right to change the URL of your public URL of your app project. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.